Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 2 of your clean eating challenge. I'm Tina Fraley, and I just wanted to send a shout out to all of you. I'm hoping that you are slowly finding your way through this and seeing that for those of you that are returning for a third week, you've done phenomenal. You've laid down the groundwork for how to make healthier choices easier for you. Like we said in the very beginning in week 1, it's not about depriving you. It's not about not allowing you to eat the food you like. It's actually about trying to get you to eat more of the foods that are just better for you. You can still have your cakes and your cupcakes and your cookies and your custards and all the treats that we've grown up to like and we enjoy in our lives. We are just at a point in the world where we're not eating as much vegetables and fruits and our bare bone basics, the plain meats and such, the way we need to. So our bodies are changing and we're needing more of the sustenance. So that's what a clean eating group is generally about, is to show you how to eat foods that normally we wouldn't go to in a given day. So with that, I also wanted to touch base with questions that some of you have been putting up on the Clean Eat group. Thank you so much for taking the time to ask these questions. Thank you for the private messages that I've been getting. I am going to answer them, I promise. One of you had asked in regards to the water consumption, what you need to do is get your total body weight and then half that number and drink that amount of ounces in water each day. That's the generally recommended course to take in a given day. One of the other questions was about modifying the exercises you're doing. During the clean eating group, you're only getting 15 to 30-minute clips for exercises, and then you're supposed to be supplementing the rest to a jog or a walk or weight, something light and just easy to add into your day. It's not supposed to be intensive. It's not supposed to be something that completely changes your lifestyle. You're just focusing on the food component for these 3 weeks that we're doing this. But it is completely okay to do modifications. When I started doing the exercises in different programs myself, I had a prolapsed uterus for 4 years and didn't know that's what was actually going on. So I was constantly modifying. I couldn't do jumps. I couldn't do jumping jacks. I couldn't do leaping. Anything that did that up and down motion, it didn't work. So I constantly had to do modifications for that purpose. But even now, when I start new programs and there's difficult moves or moves that my body doesn't want to go into, yoga and Pilates can be something that I have a difficult time with. So I take the modified version of it. And I just do that until I can build up my strength, until I see that I can do more. And that's totally okay. The other question that someone asked was about easy, quick meal prep is the way to go. You want to be able to cook your meals ahead of time for certain components of it. Like taco meat is an easy, quick grab. I brown off about 2 pounds on a Sunday, flavor it with the taco seasonings. I add salsa in it, and then I put it in a Tupperware container, and I have all of that taco meat all week long. So I can put it on my salads, I can put it in my eggs, I can make easy tacos, burritos out of it. I can add a sauce to it and turn it into enchiladas. There's 100 different things you can do with that. And I actually saw one of you posted up a recipe for a crock pot fajita chicken thing, and that's one of the things I do as well. I make my chicken in bulk on a Sunday, and that way I flavor it with like salt, pepper, garlic, so it's an easy flavor to move with other ingredients and foods. And then I just have it all week long so that I can pull out what I need portion-wise, whether it's for me and my husband or if it's for all 9 of us in the family. So there's lots of tips and tricks that you can learn along the way, and that's what the challenge group is for. So keep posting up, keep sharing, and keep coming back. And I'm really looking forward to those of us that are going to go on to next week's 21-day challenge. So don't forget to post if that's going to be what you do, because I definitely want to get everyone prepared for that. Happy Tuesday. Let's post up and see how everyone's doing, share, and I will talk to you tomorrow.